This is how much it will cost you if you plan to relocate or stay in Asaba Delta State. So recently, some of my subscribers asked me how much does it cost to rent an apartment in Asaba Delta State, or generally how much does it cost to stay in Asaba, and do they have, a kind of affordable places where they can stay in Asaba Delta State. So guys, before I answer that question, first of all, you should bear in mind that Asaba is one of the fast developing cities in Nigeria and one of the most expensive city you can live in Nigeria. And aside that, Asaba has become one of the a kind of tourist attraction, sorry for that word. So first of all, Asaba ranges from the bad to the to the good side. You can get some affordable places in Asaba, and some house rent in Asaba depends on the individuals, on the landlord. They don't have fixed price, they don't have the kind of association where you get here is what the other person will give you. No, it doesn't work that way here. It depends on the individual, it depends on the landlord or the landlady you met. So there are some places in Asaba where you can still get a room self-con, a room self-con with just 120k or 150k in Asaba Delta State. And there are some places you can still get the same a room self-con with 250k in the same Asaba. So first of all, there are some places you can still get this thing, 2-room and parlor, ranging from 500k. Like in one of my video, I wrote the village side of Asaba, exploring the village side of Asaba. In those areas, you can get as low as a room and parlor with just 300 or 350k a year. And you can also get 2-room apartments there for 500k. In the same area, you can still get 2-room and parlor above 800, 1.21 million. So it depends on the individuals and the location. So there are still many affordable places in Asaba. But if you want to live large, if you want to live luxurious life, expensive lifestyle in Asaba Delta State, then I would recommend for you to move to GRA or Panam Road, what is it called, Asaba Estate, and Ekumeku layout. Those are the places you can find most expensive houses in Asaba Delta State, and everything over there are very costly. But one thing I enjoyed in all these places is that they are full-time electricity. So you can still get more expensive house in Bonsac, but the only problem those people have there is their roads are not tight. Like during the rainy season, during this period, rainy season, everywhere is messed up. You cannot, the place will not be so attractive for you to stay. But talking about electricity and the cost of living, they have it A1. So the house rent over there is very costly. So thinking of affordable places in Asaba, I will advise you to go and watch that the village side of Asaba. Those are the places you can get cheaper house rent, or you may decide to head over to inside town in Asaba Delta State. You can head over to inside town, ranging from maybe starting from traffic lights down to towards Conway side, or before, what is it called, towards Conway side, or before FMC. That's between that area. You can still get some affordable houses in Asaba. So, and there are also some rugged areas where you can still get some affordable house. From Opwe, you can get affordable house, though it's not that rugged. You can manage to stay, but I will never advise you to go to Kebo. Kebo is a no-go area. If you are not used to ruggedity lifestyle, pickpocket lifestyle and the rest of them, do not go to Kebo. Avoid it at all costs as a first-time comer to Asaba Delta State. So if you have any other question to ask me, please do drop them via my comment sections. Remember, you can get a room self-con in Asaba Delta State for 120, 150, 200, 250, depends. And you can also get a room and parlor in Asaba Delta State, ranging from 250, 300, 350, 500, depends on the location. The same goes to your two bedroom apartments. You can also get them for 500, 800, 700, 1 million, 1.2, 1.5, depends on the location. But don't forget to watch the village side of Asaba to know the location where you can get affordable houses in Asaba Delta State. And if you have any question to ask me about this location, drop them via my comment section. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit that thumb up button, click on the notification bell to get notified each time we publish a new video, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.